It was the second day of the Asuka III Autumn Japan cruise. I spent the morning in the salon feeling my body unwind, and in the afternoon wandered through the ship. Compact yet complete, just the right size to never lose your way. The music used for the treatment was composed especially for Asuka III, tuned to 528 Hz, a frequency said to bring calm and balance to both body and mind. Every movement of the therapist flowed with that rhythm. The theme, a voyage, and the night sky. Each therapist is specially trained to work in harmony with the sound. In a high-ceilinged room filled with soft tones, Okinawan-made speakers projected the music with delicate precision. At first, I felt a slight chill. The air conditioning couldn't be changed, and a cool breeze touched my back. But as time passed, warmth began to rise from deep within, spreading together with the oil and the music. The treatment began with a gentle foot bath, then moved into a slow, steady oil massage. The oil was made from tea seeds grown in Tenku no Chabatake, tea fields high in the mountains of Gifu. Because there are too few hands to tend them, the blossoms and seeds sometimes fall, unseen and forgotten. This spa rescued that quiet treasure, refining it into a smooth, fragrant oil. Its scent was subtle yet rich, its texture a little heavier than usual. Each motion aligned perfectly with the music, and my whole body began to release and breathe. The therapist felt like a performer, and my body, an instrument played by hand. For 105 minutes, I floated somewhere between the sea and the stars.
Can I take a photo? Thank you.